So in the previous video of this series, we learned that how to download and install DaVinci Resolve in your Windows operating system. Now in this video, we will check that how to create a new project in DaVinci Resolve. So we can open DaVinci Resolve, you can see here. And once it will open, so it's opening, just need to wait few seconds, and now you can see untitled project. So this is by default. So you can import project also. For instance, if you have like .dlp resolve.zip file, you can import. You can export this project also by right click here, export project. You can export into .drp files. But in this video, as I told you, that we will learn that how to create new project. So you can click here on new project and you can type here like my first project, for instance, and click on create. So you can see now this is showing here. See, this is my first project, and you can see the dashboard, see the interface of DaVinci Resolve. And here you can see on the bottom right side, just along with the project settings, you can see here project manager. So if you click here, you can see my first project. So you can, same thing, like you can rename it, you can save as, you can export the project, you can copy it, you know, a lot of things you can do with this project manager. And this is the option you can use for project settings. Definitely in future, in upcoming videos, we will see all these things, one by one. But in this video, only we are checking how to create new project that we have already created. So I have showed you, I have explained the process. This is for the project settings and project manager, two buttons. So project settings like, timeline resolution and, width, height, a lot of things that we will discuss. So project manager and project settings, both you can see here. And this is the name of the project you can see here. And you can also see here in the top menu, like just under the file menu, you can see project manager. So same thing will open. And if you go to file, project settings, so same thing will open. Okay, so you can also use like Shift+1 and Shift+9. So Shift+1, see the project manager will open, and Shift+9 project settings will open. So I will recommend you to use keyboard shortcut keys because your work will be very fast and you can done a lot of work, fast. So I recommend keyboard shortcut keys, and definitely with all options, the DaVinci Resolve for the options that they offer keyboard shortcut keys, I will definitely explain. As in this video related to the project creation, you can see like new project, you can click here, and related to the project management and settings, I have explained you two keyboard shortcut keys here. You can also save project from here. You can save project as Control S, Control Shift S. If you want to save in another copy, you can use this option. And you can also export, like, export project from here. So you can press Ctrl+E as well. So it will be export as a .drp file. So this is the process of creating and launching a new project in DaVinci Resolve that I have explained to you. I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can learn and they can increase their professional skills. Also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.